to the Dr. Summer Show, where we have fun. At the resort in Roseville, Lincoln. Look how delicious that looks. Oh, heavenly. It's like 3 in the morning and we're sneaking over here for a wonderful bite to eat. Look at that breakfast. Ooh, look at the links. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that, look, that's a brisket, you guys. Look at that. Oh, and look, they made that like in grandma's pan. I love it. Well, I'm not cooking today, you guys. I'm just showing you what I'm eating tonight. Heavenly. Absolutely heavenly. And look at the dessert bar. Oh my God, it's to die for. Hey, this is a lot better than looking at what I cook. Feast your eyes. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Now that is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, it's heavenly. Look how pretty it is. We're driving and it is completely flooded out here. You guys can see it, but the water is really high. Made it through all the flooding. But we're traveling, and it's kind of scary. Yeah. Kind of like stuck out here. We don't know if we can make it. Oh, this is very some scrap cloth and I cut 2 even pieces, and I'm going to fold them in half and begin sewing up the sides. So I'm just stitching up the sides by hand. So I've already sewn one end, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sew from here over to here, and you want to make sure that you do it twice, because if you're like me, you can be rough when it comes to feet, so you want to make sure that they last